Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So now in this video today, we have a collaboration called the Home Decor Luxe Club. It is Vlogmas and that's being hosted by Allie from Glam Elegant Living. Now we do have some co-hosts and I'm going to go ahead and link them below in the description box along with our channel link. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channel, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, so that you can see what we did for Vlogmas. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, I do want to take a moment and wish every single one of you a Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoy your day and I hope that your day is blessed. Okay, so if we go on over to the video, you're going to see that we're using, I call them cappuccino mugs, but I believe they're called Irish coffee cups. We're going to embellish these and make candles out of these using these rosettes that came from BeeBeeCraft. Now with this embellishment, I'm going to go ahead and link the item UPC code down below in the description box. I also have a discount code, and if you use the discount code you get 10% off your order, and so isn't that awesome? Okay, so right behind me I do have the candles, and they're the cylinder candles that come in colors from the Dollar Tree, and they are on the stove warming up while we embellish these mugs. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as we make some progress here with the embellishments and the candles. Now, I think what I said before is that we're going to wind up using 4 of these cappuccino mugs or these Irish coffee mugs. And I thought I'd do 2 in green, which is really these sour apple candy canes, and then the other 2 in white and red. So these are going to look absolutely gorgeous. Now remember that most of the items that I'm using to create this craft did come from the Dollar Tree, and the others came from BeeBeeCrafts, all of the embellishments. Now I will be linking below the website to BeeBeeCrafts. I'm also going to be linking all of the products that I'm using that came from BeeBeeCrafts down below, along with my discount code. So don't forget to go down to the description box, guys. Okay, so we are not going to waste anything. So what I did is I pulled out the wick from the cylinder candles that are melting behind me, and we're going to use them to place at the bottom of these coffee cups. And then we're going to wrap them around something to keep them still in the middle as the wax dries in these glasses. Now that the wax is melted from these pillar candles, we're going to go ahead and pour them inside of there. And you know what? One of these pillar candles pretty much fills up one of these coffee mugs. So I thought that was pretty awesome. So now the first two have the white candle with the green candy cane, which is the sour apple flavor. And we move that over to the side, and now we're going to start decorating these two. So let me go over here and get the other two candles. I'll be right back. Okay, so after we poured the wax, of course, we needed to wait. And then I decided to use up all the wax that I had. So as you can see here, the two that I poured first have the green candy cane in there, which is sour apple, with the embellishment of the rosettes. Then we move over to the white candle. But then I had a little bit of red wax, and I decided to top that off. Wouldn't this make a nice Valentine's Day candle? I think it looks beautiful. And then with the other one, I did the same thing, but had some leftover white. So we have like a white, red, white going on there. And then I decided to put some glitter. So we have all of these candles, which look absolutely beautiful, and they make a nice embellishment. Definitely a conversation piece, guys. And these make great gift ideas. Now here we are at the reveal, and I'm just lighting the candles for you. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank Allie from Glam Elegant Living for hosting this collaboration along with all of the beautiful co-hosts. And I do want to wish you a Merry Christmas, have a safe one, and I hope that your day is blessed. Now, I also want to take a moment and thank BeeBeeCraft for sponsoring this video. Again, all of the information concerning BeeBeeCrafts and all of the links to the items that I use are listed down below in the description box along with my discount code. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.